was amazed at how easy these just fall out of the mold. That was actually the first time it came out. It's not like I did it before and then stuck it back in. Anyway, as you may recall, these are from the Blue Goose. At least the wood is. This is the El Grande. I checked just now in my records, and it was almost 3 years ago that I turned this pen. And this is one of them right here. It comes out looking a lot like this. Now I know it does look really good in dark wood. I don't know how it's going to look in light acrylic and wood. I'm kind of thinking maybe this green here is just too bright. I don't think this would look good and really, really bright. I'm going to use this darker. That's not quite as striking. Now, the other thing is that because I've already done this kit in detail, the series is called, it's not even a series, it's a 20-minute video, and it's called Turning the El Grande. And I just did check it this afternoon, and I went into a lot of detail. No use doing it all again, unless I'm going to be doing something drastically different, and I'm not. So yeah, that's kind of maybe disappointing for me too. Anyway, these are the bushings. They're pretty good size. My mandrel, I accidentally broke the number 2 Morse taper off the end of it here, so that's why I'm going to have to use this. In the event that I don't like the looks of it, I do have 5 brand new replacement tubes, so you know there won't be anything lost really. Yeah, and Carol from Elimelite, as of right now, has not got back to us yet, but I don't think she's going to be saying anything different than we already know.
No, that's not 100% true. Carol actually did get back to us yesterday afternoon after I had posted yesterday's video, and she asked me which rosin was I using, the clear or the white. So I told her the clear, but I said, you know, as you can see there, unless she had more information that I could share with you, we pretty well already knew the answer. So she probably won't be getting back to us with anything new, unless they found a different way, you know, of getting pale green out of green. Yeah.
I think we already know that it's impossible to make light green by using green dye. You end up with, you know, blue no matter what you do. Okay, I think this is the one here that we did the green only. And this one here was mostly green and a tiny bit of blue. Yeah, so there's not a whole lot more we can do there. And this is that fluorescent green. Just came out of the pressure cylinder. It was in the pressure tank for just over 24 hours actually. It's well cured. It might look kind of nice on something, but like I said, I can't see it looking nice on this kit. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and do it. You'll eventually get to see it. You just won't get to see me doing it. And like I say, if you want to watch the El Grande being turned, just Google Turning the El Grande. Yeah, in the meantime, I guess all I can say is thanks for watching.